Chapter 2. Our Organ System. We will learn about body parts, external body parts, internal body parts, organ systems. Warm-up story. Minnie. Mom, what did the doctor do with that instrument? Mother. The doctor was listening to your heart with a stethoscope. Minnie. Does the heart make any sound? Mother. Yes, it makes lub and dub sound. Body parts. Our body is an amazing machine. It is made up of many parts which perform different functions. All the activities are controlled by the brain. The brain sends messages to different parts of the body at a very high speed. Head, ear, chin, shoulder, arm, hand, leg, ankle, toes, foot, knee, fingers, stomach, chest, neck, lips, nose, eye, hair. External body parts. The different parts of our body are called organs. These are of two main types, external and internal. The body parts that can be seen and touched are known as external body parts. Each external body part is divided into different parts and they have different names too. Let us learn them. Head. The topmost part of our body is known as the head. It is the most important part of our body. Our head contains brain, which controls the whole body and all the activities of the body. The head contains eyes, nose, ears, and mouth. The head is made of very strong bone called the skull. Hair grows on the skull. The front part of the head is called forehead. The entire front part of the head is called the face. It is the brain which understands what we see, hear, feel, taste, or smell. The brain also instructs different parts of our body to move or react to various things. Trunk. The body apart from head and lower limbs is the trunk. The trunk is made of chest, the upper part of the trunk, and abdomen, the lower part of the trunk. The trunk contains many organs within it. The chest contains lungs and heart. The abdomen contains liver, intestine, pancreas, kidneys, etc. Limbs. Our hands are called upper limbs and legs are called lower limbs. Our hands help us to hold things, to write, and to eat. Our legs help us to move from one place to another. Our neck supports our head and helps it to move. Knowledge hunter. Man is the only living being which can move fully straight on two legs. Internal body parts. The body parts which are within our body are known as internal body parts. We cannot see or touch them from outside. The following are internal body parts: thyroid, lungs, liver, intestines, bladder, kidneys, stomach, heart, brain. Nice talk. Brain is the crown jewel of the human body. Brain. The human brain is in the head. It is the most important internal body part. It helps us think, memorize a thing, and learn. Lungs. Our lungs are within our chest. We have two lungs. Our lungs help us breathe. The lungs are like balloons. When we breathe in, the lungs as well as our chest inflate. When we breathe out, the lungs as well as our chest deflate. Heart. Our heart is within our chest. We have a heart. It pumps blood to every part of our body. We can feel heartbeat and listen to the sound lub and dub it produces. Human heart starts beating before one is born and continuously beats and pumps blood without any rest till one is alive. Knowledge hunter. The heart beats about 1,00,000 times per day. Stomach. Our stomach is within our abdomen. The stomach is like a bag. The stomach helps digest the food we eat. It aches when we feel hungry. Our stomach becomes upset when we take too much of oily food. Intestine. Our intestine is in our abdomen. It has two parts, large intestine and small intestine. Intestine helps us to absorb the nutrients from the digested food. Kidney. Our kidneys are in lower abdomen. We have two kidneys. They look like beans. Kidneys filter blood in our body and remove waste materials in our body. Bladder. Human bladder is at the bottom of the trunk. It is connected with the kidneys. The excess water in our body is stored in the bladder for some time. When it is full, we feel pressure and pass urine. Organ systems. Our body is made up of different organ systems. Each organ system is made up of organs. Each organ is made up of tissues, and each type of tissues are made up of cells. A body can be fit and healthy only if all its organ systems work properly. The different types of organ systems are as follows. Skeletal system. Human body has a fixed structure which is formed by the skeletal system. The skeletal system is the bones in our body. The skeleton is the frame of our body. It gives shape and support to our body. It also protects the internal organs from getting injured. There are 206 bones in our body. It helps us to move. Cool advice. You should take apples, capsicum and amla regularly. They make our bones strong. Knowledge hunter. Our heart normally beats 72 times in a minute. Muscular system. Muscles are the tough flesh in our body. There are more than 600 muscles in our body. All the muscles of our body together form the muscular system. Muscular system helps us to move different parts of our body. We can bend, lift, and move with the help of muscles. Digestive system.
Chapter 1.
The food we
My
eat
body.
is broken down
Meet
into
Mithil.
simpler forms so that
He
we
is
can
7
digest
years
and
old.
absorb the food
He
to
is
get
growing
energy.
very fast.
Knowledge hunter.
All his clothes are
Spinal
getting
cord
shorter.
is the nervous system's
Does
headquarter.
he look?
The nervous system. Our brain, spinal cord, and nerves form the nervous system in our body. The brain gives orders to different parts of our body. It is joined by the nerves that take these orders from brain to muscles, bones, and other body parts. The spinal cord connects all nerves of the body to the brain. Circulatory system. The circulatory system refers to the blood circulation in our body. The heart, the blood, and the blood vessels make up our circulatory system. The heart pumps the blood which is carried through the blood vessels to the different parts of our body. Explore. Lightly press your vein or the wrist below the palm and feel the circulation of blood in your body. Excretory system. Organs that remove waste materials from our body form the excretory system. The excretory system consists of kidneys, ureter, urinary bladder, and urethra. Kidneys work as filters and remove waste from the blood in the form of urine. Knowledge hunter. Sweating is a form of excretion of our body. Respiratory system. All the living beings breathe. The respiratory system helps us to breathe air. We take in oxygen and give out carbon dioxide by the process of breathing. The main parts of the respiratory system are nose, windpipe, and lungs. Reproductive system. The reproductive system consists of different reproductive organs for males and females. It helps to produce babies when we grow up. Thus, all the organ systems of our body help us to do different things. Keywords: organs, body parts. Internal, the one which is inside. External, the one which is outside. I should remember. Our body has many parts. Head, eyes, ears, nose, mouth, neck, chest, abdomen, and limbs are the external parts of our body. These can be seen from outside. Brain, heart, lungs, stomach, intestines, liver, and kidneys are the internal parts of our body. These cannot be seen. Our body has many organ systems.